Good morning, friends. Happy Saturday. Today we are going to make breakfast. We're gonna make an egg bake, and I have my best friend here.
All right, guys, let's get started. So here, Jeff greased a casserole dish. We like to use rendered bacon fat, and be sure to get the sides. Into a bowl, add 6 eggs and a half a cup of milk. We chose to use half and half and whisk real well. To that, I added 4 ounces of farmer's cheese, or you can use cream cheese. Jeff is going to add some pink Himalayan sea salt and some black pepper and mix real well again. Onion powder, garlic powder, and then we add a 1/4 cup of sharp cheddar cheese. You can add any meat of your choice. We like to use bacon, and so we're just gonna break that up into bite-sized pieces, and Jeff is also gonna eat some as well. And that was me showing you the farmer's cheese. We also added about a 1/4 cup of Parmesan Reggiano, as it gives a really good bite to your casserole. Pour in your dish, spread it out, get it all out, no waste there. And then you're going to put it in your 350-degree oven for 30 minutes. We cooked extra bacon, and then we checked the casserole for doneness, plated it up, and wow. Okay, y'all, this egg bake is amazing. Like silky, creamy, the eggs and the milk, and then you add in the farmer's cheese or cream cheese, the bacon, like meaty, cheesy goodness. Oh my gosh. My kids ate up, flew out of here. Jeff is going back for seconds. You have got to make this so good. How's the egg? Is it good? Yeah.